Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we go in my book review session. So I am Farah Fauzia with student ID 112301460004, and today I would like to review a book that I have read before. So it's particularly a reference book with title Teaching English as a Foreign Language. So this book was written by Geoffrey Broughton et al. With Christopher Brumfield, Roger Flavel, Peter Hill, and Anita Pincus, was published in 1980. So you may be started to feel wondered or curious or interested. Why did I need to review this book? As an English education student, this book will play a very important role to your English teaching skill development. So let's just to open up the content first in this book. So what is this book about? This book is a comprehensive guide for teaching English to non-native speakers. It acts as the teacher starter kit that breaks down the whole process of teaching English as a foreign language. From the classroom setting to pronunciation, grammar, skills teaching, correction, and even teaching adults versus kids, all the materials written to guide you to become a confident English teacher. This book includes many things that will help you to become a great English teacher. It gives you framework about what makes English international, classroom techniques and materials and methods, how to teach you listening, speaking, reading, and writing in the classroom. Also about the grammar, vocabulary, punctuation, and gives you on how to give error correction to your students. Also the differences between teaching kids, teenagers, and adults, so you can adapt many kind of methods in teaching them. It also gives you framework about how to provide testing and assessment to your student and how to adapting this method and also these techniques in different learning contexts. This book has a very wide range to help you to become a good English teacher, right? So let's talk about the audience of this book. Who's the audience of this book? Of course, English education students become a main audience of this book. It also provides material for new and young teacher, fits for teachers that want to review the material, and teacher or lecturer trainers. It helps you to to give and build a strong foundation in English teaching skills. And then what is the strong of this book? The first one, this book is very super practical. It's there is no fluffy theory in this book. It gives you step-by-step explanation of how to run your class and how to create an efficient and effective classroom to your student. So this book is very beneficial because it gives you practice and example and activities. And also it covers diverse learners. As I have told you before, this book gives you space on how to teach young children, to secondary students, to adults in technical fields. This book teaches how to adapt for every level and goal. Skill by skill clarity. This book is not only talk about one skill, but every skill that you need in teaching English. And it is explained with clear methodology. And however, there is no something perfect in this world. This book has a little limitation. The first one is old school. As you know that this book was written in 1980, so don't expect ideas about teaching online or using YouTube in the classroom. And also this book has quite advanced vocabulary. There are some parts that use terms in teaching English like morphemes or syntax or so on. So if you are a new freshly English education student, it will make you feel confused at first, but you can use dictionary or maybe Google Translate, so it's not a big problem. And then it has limited modern teaching approach because this book is quite old. It leans more toward traditional and teacher-centered approaches, not the modern one. However, this book will gives you a foundation and help you to adapt with the modern teaching approach. And then why you should read this book? This book builds a strong foundation because this book will help you with all of the skill that you need, especially in face-to-face teaching. So it also balances theory and practice. As I have told you before, it's not only about the theory, it's also about the practice, the activities, and the example, like maybe the fill in the blanks exercise and also essays that you will need to implement in your class. And also it guides on how to teach all skill in English. It gives you the whole skills that you need, including like teaching, speaking, listening, reading and writing, and grammar, and so on. And don't worry about the differences teaching methods in countries because this book has a very universal method and explanation in that will fit in any English teaching context. So whether you're a teacher in Indonesia or maybe you're a teacher in England, it will fit with all of your needs because this book is a very universal with its material and also with its explanation. And then I have one question. I have one quote that I really like from this book. Language is best learned when it is used, not when it is just studied. So it proves why this book is very beneficial and important to you, especially for all the teachers that teach English as a foreign language. So, what are you waiting for? Get the book now, and after you read this book, call me, and then we will discuss about the whole process of teaching English in this book. So thank you very much to so thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.